All right, so we got a oxygen absorber. Put that in there. Put one in here.
Do you notice how hot it's getting?
Oh, it's getting hot because it's absorbing oxygen. Yeah, we don't want that. We want to get the oxygen out of there. So it's getting hot.
Lid on.
Put the lid on. Put the whamma jamma on there.
Jamma
Hooked
on.
up to the hose. To
Hose.
the whamma jamma thing over here.
And
She does all this stuff. I don't normally mess with it. So
this is the start button.
that didn't take too long. I was going to ask, how do you know when it's done? It shuts itself off.
And always unplug. Always take this out, or else you'll never get the lid off. The pressure.
All right, so now that's sealed up.
Sealed.
And there we go.
There you go.
Now that one there was getting hot too. All right, so we can do different sizes.
Yeah, you want to get one of your sealer machines with both attachments. Otherwise, they're sold separately, and it's more expensive when they're sold separately.
Alright, now does this have a setting where like you can set it for different amounts of suction, or
Nope,
just one setting?
Just one setting.
Alright.
And seal.
Alright, there we go.
That's it.
Now, when you open this, what do you do with the oxygen absorber?
It depends on how long you have it open. Sometimes if I have it open for a while, I will throw this oxygen absorber away and put a fresh one in.
But this is realistically one serving size for a Sunday afternoon, watching the football game or something, and you want a salty snack.
Yep.
So, but when you open, so my question is, when you open this up and that thing starts getting hot again, do you have to leave it out somewhere before you throw it in the trash? Will it get hot enough to set a fire?
I don't know. I've never let them get that hot.
Well, what happens when they stop getting hot? They've obviously absorbed all the oxygen. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So.
And that should set, and it won't get hot again until it's exposed to air. And if it does get hot again, then you know it's still good and you can reuse it.
All right. So if it keeps getting hot, you can reuse it. If you've let it set out, I would let this set out on a plate or something, man. I mean, that gets pretty warm. I don't know if it's fire hazard or not. Somebody can write down in the comments and tell me. But at any rate, I wouldn't throw that in the trash until it was done being hot. There you go.
And you have to keep all your packets. This one has to be redone because it's not sucked.
Yeah.
Well, it's open.
Yeah.
You have to keep all these airtight.
Yep. So we'll reseal that.
I'm going to try to reseal it. Is this the one that's open?
Yeah.
I don't know. It hadn't been working for me the last couple of times. Now, vacuum and seal. This will turn off when it's done.
There we go. Sealed up. Most of these are cool.
Yeah, they'll cool off.
One of them was starting to get a little warm.